Yo, kitty, what's goody? Sorry, I'm texting. One minute, please. Girls. Anyway, what was I gonna say? I love you. You don't love me anymore. You could have been a happy family. So yesterday? Oh, so sexy. Psych. Wow, looks like I have big ears. I think I do. What am I gonna do? Drinking Red Bull. It's empty though. Hey. Me and Meg, I think, are chilling tomorrow, and I think you're coming because I just invited you, and I know you're gonna say yeah. So you're coming. I would invite Angela too, but you know she's gonna be with Josh. So true. I love you. I sang Kayla's song, but like I love you guys equally, but like there's not that many songs that I know. So I'm just gonna say bye because I'm gonna be with you tomorrow, and I'll say hi. Love you, Bree. Yeah, my niggy. Peace out, girls out. Still going.